So you're trying to get leads for your network marketing business. Here's what you should never do. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about network marketing and getting leads, and the one thing you should not do, even though I see a lot of network marketers do it, and at times I think I fell into this trap. The one thing you shouldn't do is seem desperate. All right. Now you might be thinking, well, hell, I ain't desperate. Of course I wouldn't seem desperate. But sometimes you come off desperate without even realizing you're coming off desperate. All right. So what I mean by that is if you're always, I don't want to say spamming, but if you're always, asking the same person over and over and trying to convince them over and over, to take a look at your opportunity or to join up underneath you or whatever. In my opinion, after about the second, third engagement with the person, you're just making it worse. Now, I know some people have the philosophy of, keep going until they say yes, which ain't nothing wrong with that. But sometimes the more you push, the whacker you seem. Because if you keep pushing, perfect example, like if you're talking about making money, your network marketing company is gonna make you a ton of money, right? Live the life you want to live, right? You can make all this money, blah blah blah. If you approach somebody and you keep, telling them how they can be a millionaire and da 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 da, right? Eventually they're gonna click over and be like, wait a minute, if you making so much money, why is you constantly bothering me? Like, shouldn't you be out spending some of the millions that you're making, blah, 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 blah. And the more and more you approach, the whacker you seem, right? So you don't want to seem desperate. Now, it's a difference between seeming desperate and following up, right? So following up, hey, first of all, if someone shows interest in you, that's a good thing. If someone shows no interest from the very beginning, let it go. Like, if they're not into it, you know how to tell if somebody interested. If someone does seem interested after you approach them or whatever, and they seem interested, okay, yeah, I'll do your webinar, or I'll take a look at your website, blah blah blah. It's fine, in my opinion. Give them a couple days, whatever, and then hey, reach out and say, hey, did you check out my website? Did you get a chance to attend the webinar? If they say no at that point, maybe, depending on what they say. If they say, oh, you know what, I missed the webinar, I'm going to do it Saturday, or I'm going to do it Tuesday, whatever. Okay, then follow up one more time. But at that point, if they give you some lame excuse why they missed the first webinar, or, it's been 4 days and they still haven't looked at your website, and they got a lame excuse, let it go. Because after that point, now you're seeming desperate. And that same thing too, seeming desperate, even if you do some cold calling, so to speak, or get some leads, you contact them, that's fine. Like, it's okay to me, contact somebody who you think may have an interest in your opportunity, right? But at that point, once, if they show no interest, let it go. Because when you seem desperate, you're hurting yourself, and people will look at you as just that, desperate. I get messages all the time, and people like, hey, check this out. Hey, check this out. Hey, check this out. Hey, check this out. And I'm like, at some point, I'm just like, you must be really, really struggling. You know what I'm saying? Like, especially if I show no interest in it, it's like, I don't know, just when you come off desperate, it really hurts you. And like I did a video before, the best way, in my opinion, to attract people is let them come to you. Let them see what you're doing. Subliminally, or, whatever, show your opportunity, put your opportunity in front of them. Let them know that you're making moves. That's what you need to do. And there is nothing wrong with, like I say, if you want to, send an email out to someone, a potential prospect, it's all good. But if they blow you off once or twice, let it go. Then let that person, come back around later and see like, ooh, I missed out. Let me get back with this dude. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you want to know what company I'm involved with, it's Genesity. All right. So if you want to check that out, super cool company. What else can I say? Link in the description. Also, if you have any questions about Genesity, you can give me a call because my phone number is also in the description. You can call or shoot me a text and I'll get with you. All right. So be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel because I'm always dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.